Mindset, it shapes our reality, what things mean to us. So it's really important to be on top of your thinking, be on top of what's going in here. You're in control, you really are. You meet top athletes, people who are great at what they do. They're in control of their thinking. They're using their mind as a tool, not letting the outside world control that mind and control their results. That's why when you see a good coach in the athletic world or sports world, he or she coaches their team members and each individual, not my way or the highway. They coach and teach in such a way it brings out the best in each individual. That's a good coach. That's a good manager, somebody who understands that each member of that team, although they work as a team and they play for each other, it's a football or soccer team, they play for the badge, they play for the club, but each and every one of them is managed in a different way to bring out the best, because we're all different.